Okay, I'll just show you the auto access height. If you get out of the car or you're getting out of the car, there's a button here on this Range Rover Vogue. You press that, the suspension will go down. That's doing it manually. However, there is a setting on it on some of the vehicles that you can set it to do automatically. So I'll just show you. Right, so you go to menu, click menu, you see their driving features, and as you click down, vehicle setup, click across to vehicle setup, and then you'll see passenger airbag, alarm sensors, reverse dip mirror, auto access height. Put a tick in there, and then that's it. When you go back to, when you get out of the car or you stop the car like so, go to get out, the vehicle lowers to access height, makes it easier to get out.